Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, on this channel it's about forex strategies, binary strategies, and also lessons. So guys, on today's video I'm going to show you a few the conditions for matches. So this one has passed me where I was trying to start the video but it's okay. So we are going to be trading, to be matching digit 2. So the condition is for it to be at 12.3%. so just need to wait for it. So the entry point for this one, you have to wait for the cursor to touch the least appearing digit, and it has to be an even number. We are a bit late. Yeah, see that. I don't know if you guys have noticed. We are a bit late. We have lost the first one, but we have won with the second one. My internet, it's a bit slow, but let's wait. Okay, see, it has come to 2. Yeah, that's our third one. So we have lost 4 before we entered the profit part. But after it reaches 12.5, just leave it. But as you can see, it's increasing. You could have gone with it, but when it's from 12.3 increasing to 12.4, 12.5, so the entry point is for it to, or you wait for the cursor to touch the least appearing. You can try this with your demo account, and I repeat, try this with your demo account. You can click continuously because you are doing it manually, but if you want with a bot, you just run it until it gets 1 win. Because for matches, if you get 1 win, it recovers all the loss. So it's just that simple. That's one strategy. So the other one that I had shared earlier, and someone told me that they hadn't gotten what I was trying to say, it's when you're trying to match the exit point. Like the exit point is 0, 9, or also you can try to match 1. So this market, it's a bit tricky, so I'm just going to leave it and then search for another one. But it works well on 100, 1S, 100. Those two, you can try practicing them. So I can't find the condition that I'm looking for, but I'm going to share with you. So the condition is this: if you want to match digit 9, I think this a good market. Let's try. If you want to match digit 9, 1 has to be more than 11.4%. So you have to wait for the tick to go from 1 to 9, or 9 to 1, and after it touches 0, you run matches. I don't know if you have gotten that. So 9, 1, and then, so let's try to do that and see. I have entered where it was a bit late. So I haven't waited for it to touch 9 first, but we can choose to match with the one with the highest, which is 0 instead of 9, because as you can see, 9, for it to appear, it's a bit tricky. So, and also another thing that you have to know, when the green bar it's on 2, the cursor moves from 9 2 and then goes to 1. So let me enter the market. I'm trying to find a good entry. Oh, I'm a bit late. See, oh, I have won. So I wasn't late after all. So you see, even the second strategy, it's working. See, it has come to 5 because so that's the bad thing about being manual when you're trading matches, because if it was a bot, we could have won when we are matching 0. As you have noticed, when I was clicking matches, it was already on 0 and then it shifted on this other side. So that is the second thing, the second condition that you have to look for. So the third one, you have to check 1, 7 and 9, and 1 must have a green bar between the 3, 1, 7 and 9, and 1 digit must be lower by 9.1%. So you have to choose your prediction. So you are going to choose the prediction of the digits that have 11.4%. So you are going to wait for it to turn to 11.5, and when it turns to 11.6, you match. So we are going to the third one, it's 1, 7 and 9. So this one can't do, but I'm just concentrating on 100s and 100. Even this one, it's not a good entry, because this one, it's 1, 7 and 9. 1 has to be below 9.1. This one is 9.6. 1 must have a green bar and must have 11.4 going to 11.5. But we can try also, let's try these strategies with another number. Let's try for it to turn to 4, 11.4, 5, and then we match. We see if it works on all strategies, but specifically I was mentioning those. But I hope you have seen the first 2 works. 11.3, 11.4, you have to wait for each decreasing. So it's a bit tricky here. Oh, I don't know where I have matched. But also another thing, guys, I have noticed, when it is on lower digits, least appearing, and this one was 11.2, it touched here, then matched with 3. But that's my own discovery. I have just noticed right now. I don't know if you have noticed. It was 10.9, it came to 11, before decreasing came back to 3 and matched. So that's another strategy of like, guys, I have to tell you something that you need to know. Try looking at when they are trying to share the green bar, if you want to match the digits. Like this one, you can try matching 1, because you can see 1, it's increase, it's trying to take over from 8. So you can try this one, and also it's going to 2. 1 or 2. So if it goes to 2, so it's a bit confusing here, but guys, you can try matching when they are trying to share the green bar. Oh, see, it's just matching with 5. So there's so many things that you can discover here. So after 3 wins or 3 losses, we have won 4 losses, we have won the 4th one. So, and I have just looked at when they were trying to share this too. It was 11 and then it was 10.9, then came to 11, then came to 11.1, and then I started clicking here matches. But for the board, it's, I think, the most accurate one. So go try these strategies and go try make your own strategy. Even if I'm sharing the one I have bought, because I bought so many ebooks when I was trying to learn forex and binary, but I chose to start with rise and fall and forex trading. And that's why, guys, I'm choosing to share my lesson. Like, I'm trying to summarize forex trading, and I'm going to do that in next week. So keep tuned, because you're going to benefit so much from. Oh, they're sharing 0 and 1 and 8. I hadn't noticed that, so I was supposed to match with this one. The one was gaining power. I'm a bit late now, but you can try the strategy on your own when they are trying to change the market, or they are trying to share the most appearing digit. So guys, see you in my next video. I hope you're taking my notes seriously, or maybe you're talking for the strategy, you're practicing them. But for matches, it's a bit tricky, but if you notice something that you can work with, just practice one. And that's why I usually tell my people, please don't strategy hope like you're trying this strategy. Just get one, practice it, and see if it works for you. So guys, see you in my next video, and I love you so much. Keep subscribing, keep sharing, and I'm hoping to see you soon. Bye.